A group of 47 cadets and 2 teachers, including 10 girls, participated in a week-long national integration tour of northeastern region from April 3rd till the 10th. The tour was planned, organized and executed by the Assam Rifles and aimed to provide these cadets with a deeper understanding of the northeastern states. The cadets visited different centers in Shillong and Dimapur while also taking part in many cultural events. Through such initiatives, the men in uniform are paving the way for a brighter future built on the foundation of unity in diversity.
Today, we cadets of Sainik School Satara visited the Kohima War Cemetery and the State Museum of Nagaland. The Kohima War Cemetery was all about the Battle of Kohima, which was fought against the Japanese, where the Indian soldiers represented the British. The war memorial enabled us to pay our tributes to the martyred soldiers.
The centenary celebration of Ram